To a train enthusiast, those kinds of clips can be quite scary. That locomotive leading with the white stripe that says, Savannah Atlanta, on the side was a NS Heritage unit. It's the only one painted like this, so if it derailed, the special locomotive may be scrapped. No one ever stops to think how it must feel for the driver, engineer of the train. Once the emergency brake goes on, you're just along for the ride in the inevitable collision, and it's frightening. That one train didn't derail because of braking too hard. It derailed because the track became misaligned at the crossing, causing the wheels to go off track. Turn your hazard lights on, get out of the vehicle, then proceed to wave your arms around crazily, expecting the train to stop in 20 yards. Works like a charm. Amazing video. Seems a lot are caused by so many level crossings not actually being level. But truck drivers should realize they are never going to make it across these crossings. Car drivers? Just stupidity. We have a message from John from Australia. Please listen to him, he has already faced similar situations. Please don't risk it even in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Know where you are in the dangerous situation you may have just put yourself in, and this includes truck drivers. If just over the crossing the traffic is banked up, don't do it. Don't put yourself in the middle of the crossing and stuck. If you do, you're a fool. But beyond that, get out of the vehicle straight away, especially when you're hearing train air horns, and to those who just do it to save 10 minutes or so, you are an absolute idiot. Sorry.